How you doing? What's going on, people? This is TK coming at you. Just want to talk to you today about simple mathematics. Earning less than 1% in the bank account against earning upwards of 5,000% with gold, silver, and Bitcoin. So you're looking at long-term savings, and you're looking at paper money devaluing at the point in which you're earning almost no interest in the bank. And then you look at the cross comparison to what you gain if you save in gold, silver, and Bitcoin outside of a bank, simply by converting your paper money into those assets, saving those assets over a long period of time, and then comparing what you could gain one in relation to the other. So the obvious winner is not paper, but that's yet what everyone sticks to. So I don't understand the logic behind less than 1% on a savings account compared to upwards of 5,000% saving in other assets, because truly it's not what you save, it's what you save in. So if you save in gold, silver, and Bitcoin, you're going to win more than the 1% that the bank is going to pay you in a savings account. And that's not only been proven over time, that's the secret wealth strategy to most people with real assets. They save in accumulating value items that appreciate. So the key to building wealth is to save in a asset that goes up over time. You think that was rocket science or something very complicated, some advanced PhD theory, but it really isn't. It's simply comparing the less than 1% that a bank gives you in a savings account in relation to what you could gain if you save the same amount of money in gold, silver, and Bitcoin. So it boils down to you making a decision to save in a hard asset or save in paper. Because if you choose to save in paper, you're going to find yourself on the losing end of inflation. So I present you with a choice. It's very easy to take whatever money you get from your salary. If you're saving $100 a month, then save that in gold, silver, or Bitcoin. And over the long term, you're going to see that one makes more economic sense. Everyone's been taught to save in paper, and paper's the most undervalued liability on the planet. So it doesn't make sense. You need to opt out of paper, opt out of the fiat banking system, get involved in converting paper money to gold, converting to silver, and converting to Bitcoin, and do it on an auto savings plan where that $100 every pay comes out of your check. You don't even get to touch it. Before you know it, $100 comes out of your check and it instantly goes into gold, silver, or Bitcoin. That's what I do for myself, and that's what I encourage other people to do, because it's just safer than saving in cash. You know, less than 1% in the bank account saved over 30 years is going to give you about $3,000 in interest. So which one makes more economic sense? That's the one you have to position yourself in, and that's the choice that you have to make for your future, for your family, and for your finances. That's the most argumented point. You know, people debate that point all the time when the math is clear. You know, there's no underlining question mark about whether or not which is more lucrative, but people argue about, I want my paper savings account. Factor in Dodd-Frank, where the bank's unsecured debt is covered by your savings account, and you're losing even more. So I suggest that you guys use Google, learn about Dodd-Frank, get out of savings accounts, get into saving hard assets. It's not how much you save, it's what you save your money in.